Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching EncycloHub. In this video, we are discussing how to find the mode of any data set. So in this set, we have given this and this question is given and in which we have to find, data mode of the data set and we have the data. So mode definition says that which number has the most frequency? So in this one, which number has the most repeated times? We can see that. So 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3 is 5 times. 3 is 5 times. Okay, so this is the frequency, right? 3 is 5 times repeated and 5 5 is 3 times repeated, 9 is 2 times, and 8 is 1 2 3 4 4. So it means that our answer will be 3 because it is repeated more times than other numbers. So that is the definition of the mode. If you have another question query, you can contact us. We will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching, and we are here for help you for any type of study related help. Thank you so much.